Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, we're going to take a ride on what I believe is the service elevator. Here's a better view of it. At the Roger Adams Laboratory at UIUC in Urbana, Illinois. We have an Otis Lexan. Let's call it. And here it is. Show this logo down there. Now we're going to head down to the sub-basement. So let's go up to 4 and 4R, or maybe just 4. Before you going in? Oh. Before?
Yeah, 4.
4? Okay. I think this is the open button, but I'm not sure. Let's test it out. Wait, there's... Oh wait, the open buttons are down there. Okay, well this is interesting. Let's get a cab view. Looks like a typical service elevator on a Lexan from the 70s era. So there's your indicator up there. Isn't really classic level that much either. I think we started, oh yeah, we ended on ground, so it's the floor we're gonna head back to. So you notice it's got both a front and a rear door. Looks like there was a button panel there or something, but now there isn't. But yeah, it tends to plop level more than classic level. So there's your indicator up there. Post logo there. Emergency phone up there. And here's the rest of the COP. Quite an interesting COP for a Lexan. And you got the door controls there. This button, I don't know what this button does, but it doesn't seem to do anything. Seems to be another one of those like fiberglass black buttons. And then there's your inspection certificate up there. I guess we'll show that plop levels by going back down to the sub-basement. But yeah, notice that it doesn't continue leveling when the door opens. So now I go back up to ground. And yeah, I'll show you the same thing. I didn't see, but I would imagine that the rear floors are locked. Let's see. Yep, even the ground rear floor is locked. So anyways, there the elevator goes. And that's going to be it.